Hey, this is John Botel from Ecom Subscription Pro and the Cash Hive. I just wanted to give you this really quick lesson on authority blogs and how you can get set up using this. So let's jump right in. And first of all, first thing is, how do you get a blog? Okay, so you're gonna have to. The easiest way to do this is through WordPress. So you're gonna want to have WordPress installed on your domain. So wherever you've got your domain hosted, you want to get into the back office. I actually have mine with WebAir, which is what we're seeing right now. So let's jump right in. I'm in the back office now in WebAir. Yours will be slightly different, obviously, but I just go to where my websites are, choose one of my domain names there. Click into any one of those. I'm just going to choose this one at random. And usually they'll have something around here that just says something like install WordPress. So all you have to do is just install WordPress, and it's all done in the back office for you. And once you've done that, that will automatically install everything you need to actually start blogging. It really is that quick and that easy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shoot across to actually that domain and that WordPress that we installed. So I just go across to the domain here and go to the login section. Okay, now we're in our WordPress setup of this domain where our blog is going to be, and you can set up everything in here. You can set up your colors, your themes, but predominantly a lot of things are already pre-taken care for you in the themes. So all we have to do is go across to where the themes are in the menu section, which is right around here on the left hand side. These are the themes that I've already got pre-installed here, but all you actually have to do is go up here where it says add new, and if you click that, that will load up. You can search for themes, but this is actually the popular ones that we're looking at now. And as you can see, they're already pre-done for you. Pretty much all you have to do is throw in some header graphics, and you're ready to start blogging. We'll go into a few more, show you the kind of layouts that they have. And let's pick a very different one to show you a different style entirely. Something like this one down here, which is kind of cool and funky. Something like this looks very cool, would make a great fashion blog. And literally, once you've chosen that theme, all you have to do is replace those images with your images, and you're ready to start blogging. You can add lots of plugins and stuff like that, and lead capture stuff, and you can even do a lot of advertising on the blog. But in its essence, once you've hit that theme, uploaded your images, you're ready to go. You're ready to make your first blog post. So what do you put in it? That's the question. That's the hardest part of blogging, is deciding what to write each day. And that's where this new piece of software comes in so incredibly handy. I'm going to go across there now to show you exactly how this thing works. It really is just so simple. It blew me away. It's called Trending Traffic. So we're going across there now. This is the login. So I'm just going to log in straight away. So here we go. And that immediately brings you, I obviously haven't set the time zone that I'm in, so just let me set that. So I'm just going to zoom down to -5 is where we want to be. There we go, Eastern time. So I'm going to save that. Okay, so if we go up here, this is the screen that it brings you into each time. But let's go into the settings first. So I'm going to show you the websites here. So I've only got the one website set up, which is my blog, the Cash Hive. And you can see you can add websites very easily. You just click add there. You put the URL of your blog. So that's whatever we chose before. Add that in there. You add the username for the login and their password. And then you're ready to go. Basically, the system all works in the background, links the two things together between trending traffic and your blog. So let's go back to the main page, and I can show you exactly how this works. Basically, it scours the web looking for trending articles that you can repost onto your blog. And so let's do a search for one. Let's have a look in the beauty niche. So we do a quick search for beauty, and this is from the last 7 days. So they're all highly trending articles for the last 7 days, and we can just go through, see which ones look interesting and we would want to post or repost onto our blog. So I'm going to have a look at this one, this Gwyneth Paltrow one. It's clearly going to be a highly searched for article, which is going to mean more traffic to your site once you post this on your site, because it's going to be highly relevant to the niche that you're in, highly trending content marketing, which is kind of like the big words in marketing these days. And if we look, this is the article just pulled from the web, and this will repost onto your own blog. But let's have a look over on the right hand side here to see what we can actually do with it. So it's showing on the right hand side the site that it's going to be posting to. Right there. We can select a category within the blog if there is such things. We can either post it immediately to the blog or post it as a draft so that we can check exactly how it looks inside the blog. We can choose the date that we want it to post and the time we want it to post. And we can even choose a different featured image for it. Now, if you've paid for the upgrade in trending traffic, then you can actually get a free article spinner within that as well. And the article spinner will actually take that article, spin it around so that it's not exactly the same as every other article in there. It looks unique to you. Very, very clever technology. And then you can just hit post, and that will schedule your post. And you can imagine how quick that could be to just zip through this and post like a whole month's worth of articles, one after the other. Let's have a look in the dog niche now. So we just type that in. Brings up all these dog articles just from the last 7 days. And so you can just go in there again, check out the article, schedule that to post to your blog when you want it to post. And you can just flick through, see the whole article, make sure it's something that you would be comfortable having posted on something that has your name on it. And as long as it's a good article and you're comfortable with it, you can go ahead and schedule that to post as you need. As you can see, this is going to work for any kind of niche site that you want to gain authority in. And once you gain authority from people, you are able to divert them over to offers that you want to sell. And that's the way this thing works. It builds your credibility in the marketplace. It builds your ability to be found by SEO and search traffic, gaining free traffic. But basically, you're building credibility to search for. You're building credibility in your niche to be able to sell and convert more. So just doing another couple of quick searches here, looking for one in the hunting niche and one in the survival niche. Survival niche didn't return anything. That's not to say it won't in the future, just right now. There's no articles trending for that. I looked in the hunting niche. This is actually not relevant to hunting. So let me have a look at something else. I'm going to look in the gun niche. Okay, several articles there for the gun niche. I think a lot of them are for Guns N' Roses, so it's picking up that word. But there is an article there in the gun niche that you could post to build your credibility as being a reporting authority in that niche. So you can see just how powerful this software really is going to be in building up your credibility. And if you build up your credibility, you build up your following, your base of raving fans. And once you have that, that is really, really easy then to convert those people into buying customers of any offer you want to send them to. And that can be an affiliate offer, that can be one of your own offers. Doesn't matter. You can still convert them either way. It really is an incredible piece of software that I would encourage you to check out and have a look at.